the cups actually look like they're spaced properly.
Yeah.
So I guess that's how you keep straight, just going with
the rolls. That's right. Yeah, it's not. It's very easy. Yeah, it's very easy in corn. That's the kernel going behind your right shoulder right here. That's the kernels coming in.
So how many passes can you store inside?
It goes down and up, and it's full.
And it's full, okay.
It's full,
so then you dump it and then you do it again.
Yeah, that's right.
So could you be towing a wagon as well?
No, that's not done really for this.
Okay.
No.
This is no need, right?
No, that's right. Usually, like in a big field, or if like this is just going right on farm here, if it's going into trucks, then we'll run a grain buggy, and it's just like a big wagon with an auger on it, and then it's got its own auger augered on the truck, right?
Well, this is the biggest mower I've been on.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. No, it's lots of fun.
So you have different settings or different types of equipment that goes on for different grains?
For different crops, yes, for sure.
So I know you have it for corn, right?
For corn,
so this is just specific to corn?
Just for corn. Okay. There's really nothing else you can combine with this.
Okay.
We just have...
And you grow corn yourself?
Yes, we do. Yeah, it's quite common in this area.
And you're also organic, right?
That's right, yeah.
So now, because you're organic, you wouldn't want to be harvesting anything that's not organic,
well,
right?
We try not to. We're careful. Like, we did all the organic first. Now I'm going to do some non-organic corn, but we'll clean the combine out, and then it's clean to do all the organic. But we do some others. We'd like to not, but at this point we still do. Yeah. It'll tell me when it gets full.
So a field this size, like the whole field at Vern House, how long would it take you to do the whole field?
If I'd have someone running beside me while I'm unloading, it'd take me about 3 hours.
Wow, that's quick.
Yeah, it'll take me about 5 hours because I'm just going to stop at the end and unload. And then
okay, so you mean like That's having somebody with a wagon as you're going.
That's right.
Okay,
yeah,
okay. So
that speed things up tremendously.
Yeah, because sometimes I see that on. I'll see with trucks going inside, right?
That's right. Yes, yes. It takes just as much fuel to do it this way as it would to have another tractor going beside.
Okay.
Because I'm not combining while I'm unloading that way, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But then you need another man and another tractor, and I'll get it done today anyway if we have enough wagons.
That looks like you've done this a few times. You didn't have to aim for this one, eh?
Not the first time. Oh, I missed
this one.
I don't know where that one came from. I guess it was drowned out at the end.
On my YouTube, I'll send you the link.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Guess they used to do this by hand before.
Oh, I know. That would make for a lot of sore hands.
So do you have attachments for other grains as well?
Yeah, we do. We have two others. The one other one does everything else, except we also have one for just picking up swaths.
Okay.
Like if the crop's a little green, and get a machine to cut it and just put it on a windrow, and then we come along to pick it up after it's dried.
Cool. I was looking at one there and I thought we'd get stuck there, but they all seem to get moved along.
Oh, yeah, the odd time someone gets caught, but no, for the most part it just moves it right along.
controls the machinery up front.
That's right. Yes.
So what's the stuff in front called? Is there a name?
That's the corn header up
The
there.
corn header. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's the header. Okay.
The header. Yeah.
And then I guess you have different headers, right?
That's right. Exactly.